guys, welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I'm T. Please, I'm gonna apologize for my voice. I'm under the weather. I've been under the weather for about 2 weeks. What I wanted to talk about today was the Dollar Tree haul that I've gotten for the garden. And I wanted to show you guys that you can still get things under a budget and not spend as much money. First things first is every Dollar Tree is different, so you might not find these items at your Dollar Tree. The first item that I'm going to show you guys is the kneeling pad, and this is this little wonderful pad. I got it in a neutral color. They do have them in multiple colors, okay, which is pretty cool if you like different colors, but I went with a neutral color, and this is the kind of like an ash gray. Second thing I got is the thermometer, and I thought I'll get this because I am going to do my own self-made greenhouse. So I did get this for my seed starting because I will be just starting mine outside, okay? Next thing up, you guys, is such a cute item. Look, you guys, these are pot hangers, and they actually call flower pot huggers. At the Dollar Tree, I got a bee and I got a turtle. They had ladybug and a gnome, which they all are cute. They all are adorable. Ain't these adorable, guys? Look at that. The turtle's my favorite, but my daughter wanted the bee, so I got the bee. I thought she would get the ladybug, but she didn't. She ended up wanting the bee. So I got the bee. And I got these wonderful blue pots. They almost look as though they're clay pots, but they're not. I like the gloss on them. Let me try to get it out of the sun so you kind of can see. So I thought these were absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. For $1, you can't complain. I will show you guys in a future video where I will be putting these. So basically it goes like this, you guys, onto the pot. Isn't that cute? How cute is that? So cute. So cute. So that would be those items. I did pick up some seeds. Like this one is kale. See here, and I got a couple more seeds too. I got here, hold on. I got these are seeds I don't have in my little arsenal, so I picked up lavender, squash, crookneck. What was it? Crooked neck, Swiss chard, and I got some butternut squash. And last but not least, you guys, it's gonna be a very short video, okay? Because like I said, I'm under the weather, so very short video. They have a stackable 3-tiered situation where you can have probably get as many as you want. You can put herbs, lettuce, strawberries. I thought they were a pretty good deal. You basically find these items, it look just like this, and you will stack them, guys. Hold on. Just like that. How awesome is that? You just stack them, and you put everything you want, and it just kind of like make a tower, which is pretty cool, especially if you're short on space, you know. Good idea. Go ahead, Dollar Tree. So that will end the haul. I do have some couple of more items, but I'm gonna use those for different videos, so you can actually have an idea of those items as well, what I'll be doing with those. But I'm hoping you enjoyed the video. It's a very short video, and remember, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. And oh yes, you guys, I got to come back and say this because I guess it is a must. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, and definitely this time, bye-bye for now.